We will begin by examining our bill of material database. The BOM is a hierarchical representation of the components and subcomponents required to produce a finished product. It is a critical element in the production process, as it ensures that all necessary components are available and in the correct quantities. The column in our BOM database corresponds to the level of the BOM. The levels can include parent, level 1, level 2, and so on. Our application allows for up to 10 levels of BOMs, which provides flexibility for products that have a complex structure. However, if your specific needs require more levels, please let us know and we can customize the application to meet those needs. The sheet that displays the BOM structure shows how the BOM should be organized. The parent part is located at the top of the sheet, and all the necessary components to produce it are listed below. These components can either be purchased from vendors or produced in-house. For components that are produced in-house, the necessary subcomponents will also be listed. This allows for a clear understanding of the entire production process and ensures that all necessary components are accounted for. It is important to note that any discrepancies or unorganized data structure within the BOM can result in an incorrect material resource plan. This can lead to delays in the production process and a lack of necessary components. To prevent this, it is crucial to ensure that the BOM is accurate and up to date. If you need to customize the BOM based on your specific requirements, please do not hesitate to contact us. In addition to the BOM database, we will also take a look at our lead time database. The lead time is the amount of time it takes to produce or purchase a component. It is a critical element in the production process as it allows for accurate scheduling and ensures that all necessary components are available when needed. The column in our lead time database is reserved for item numbers. B and C columns are for descriptions, and D, E, and F columns are reserved for future data. The G column is for lead time and days. Please note that this is the standard lead time for producing or purchasing the part and should have an accuracy rate of at least 80 to 90%. Any discrepancies in the lead time can lead to incorrect production and material requirement plans. To summarize, my ultimate goal is to empower you to become a leader in your industry by providing you with the tools and resources you need to excel. By having a clear understanding of our BOM and lead time databases, you will be able to make informed decisions and optimize your production processes. Now that we have a solid understanding of our data structure, we can move on to linking our data set into our sales, inventory, and operational planning application. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me.